night knuckle cracking. You're gonna start to hear it. Sometimes you can't hear that. Ooh. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that one hurt. Nothing for that one. And all I'm doing right now is just pulling them. Yeah, you have to use them. Nothing. 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 Okay, so then you go. You usually always go one. So like this. Oh, that one was hard. Okay, that one kind of hurt. Yeah, I can't do my whole hand in all this time. Taking my lip. Bye, guys.